Hi friends, and welcome to the channel, or if you're not new here, welcome back to the channel. I'm Larry and I am your painting thing today. So we're gonna get going. I've got colors. I'll have them on a box on the screen. Since I'm in charge of editing, I know where it'll go. So we'll bring it down to the canvas. It's right here. We'll have some fun. We're gonna start on an 11 by 14 canvas. I have 5 colors mixed here. Like I said, I'll put the colors in a box on the screen. I'm going to layer a cup. I'm going to dump it on here and stretch it out, and we'll see what kind of mayhem we can come up with at the end of all this. Somebody's being mean to me. Oh, with that, we have a finished painting here. This, wow, look at all the white cells popping. That's a little bit unexpected today, so. That turned out really cool. And the colors, the yellow kind of disappeared, but the greens in this thing are amazing. With that, especially with that pop of purple in there to give it a whole bunch of contrast.
Yeah,
so,
like here. Yeah. So cool. The green blue mixed with the purple, so neat.
So I hope you like what we're doing here. And if you do, leave me a comment, like and subscribe. That really helps our tiny little channel out here a whole lot. Nothing else, it helps get our art out to more people. See if they like what we're doing. So with all that said, I'm going to say goodbye for now, and we'll see you next time.